I hope and believe that judgment will never be passed on a person solely on the basis of genetic information.
Okay, now when is lightning more than lightning? Think back to War of the Worlds and the lightning strikes were coming down, and it was bringing objects or people into the crafts that were hidden under the ground that had been buried there for many, many years. Now this lightning is the one that I called, and it came down. When you do a little bit of filtering, as you can see, I've shown where I'm filtering, whether it's just a simple thing on my iPhone. And look, it looks like it's got a friggin' electronic device inside the lightning. What the hell? Looks like it's got structure. It looks like it's got shape and form. I just can't believe that. So lightning is not just lightning. Is it really a craft, or is it some type of entity? And that, of course, is our lovely Gideon, the hipster man that comes down, and he was in the clouds again. And this is just some weird stuff off the ISS and the and from Google Earth coming up, because it's just showing the different structures and shapes that are in the universe, whether they're man-made, whether they're manipulated, or whether they're curiosities for the future. I don't know. And this again is inside a cloud, and it looks like it has some form, some structure. It looks like a grid. And if you think of what's proposed with what's happening with certain things, creating robots within other things, this is possible.
Want to see something cool? Okay.
Want to go inside.
It's okay. Huh?
Want to go inside.
Okay, you go ahead.
That's enough weather for me. Want to go by myself.
It's kind of fun, isn't it?
No.
Well, it's the 4th of July.
No, it's not.
Oh, see. It's okay. You're fine.
He hid right behind our house.
Yeah, well, it's not gonna hit there again. Okay? Because lightning doesn't strike twice in the same place. Shit!
Signal to them. Maybe that guy there. See where he is. See if he'll come. Come here. And he is coming. Just those two. He's attached to that one. Hey, you, come. Come down, come down, come down. The others that were attached, they're still there. There's quite a distance between them now. It's going to drift over. Signal to them. And he is coming. Just those two. He's attached to that one. There you go. Come down, come down, come down. The others that were attached, they're still there. There's quite a distance between them now. It's going to drift over. Ooh, holy shit. Holy crap, it scared the crap out of me. Lightning went from there to there. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, we knew it was gonna be bad. Oh, don't like the sound of this. My cat's run inside. He's scared shitless. He doesn't like lightning, doesn't like thunder.
It makes me sick what I do for this